education embraces all forms of educative experiences needed by men and women according to their varying interests and requirements. It denotes the entire body of organized educational process whereby adults develop their ability, enrich their knowledge, improve their technical and professional qualifications, and bring about changes in their attitude and behavior. Adult education is not merely confined to give the knowledge of 3 hours, but includes much more than that. It includes all those programs which are related to the life of adults. The purpose of adult education is to help people to make choices, to help them to define their world, to help them to write their history, and to work with them to become involved in meaningful and relevant action and learning. An adult education center is not merely a place for learning literacy, but should be a place which is attractive and comfortable. It may be small and insufficient, but the instructor should make efforts to make the place more attractive and comfortable by keeping it clean and tidy, so that the people of the community wish to come to the center and spend their time. In rural areas, it could be accommodated in panchayat office, temple, church, or other religious places, the house of villagers, and a village school. However, in urban areas, in addition to above, it could be located in offices, local clubs, canteens of mill, factory, and so on. So first of all, we do survey of the area. Before the program is started, it is essential that the survey of the area to be adopted is conducted. Survey can become an aid to environment building. Survey should enlist data on the age-wise and sex-wise categorization of learners. Survey should also attempt to identify potential volunteer instructors. All these can be done in so many ways, like first of all, use of loudspeaker. In rural areas, loudspeaker is a very good source of entertainment and attraction. This should be made use not only to give information to the masses, but to make interesting and effective by the use of slogans, songs, and music, enhancing the value of adult education program. This can be made use in religious and social functions too. The use of slogans, songs, and cultural activities can be made on the loudspeaker. This mode of media has been quite a good success in the organization of adult education program in many areas like Punjab, where the people are wedded to the music and traditional cultural folk songs. It has been noticed that in some areas, songs based on traditional music have been coined on the theme of adult education and have become very popular. Then organizing march. In villages, people organize marches on different functions and write slogans on banners. This is done at the time of organization of religious functions, social functions, and at time to celebrate the birthdays of leaders. If banners are written in an effective way about adult education program at the time of celebrating Gurpurab of Sikhs and other such days of Hindu and Muslims, a good deal of effective background can be created for the organizing of adult education program. In fact, traditionally education has been linked with the religious, and religion has been all out of enhancement of education. All our religious teachers have made efforts to take people out of ignorance and used education as a tool to do so. A good many such religious cautions can be used to decorate the banners in these functions. This will help to give a religious flavor to adult education program. Then door-to-door contact. This is an effective technique which has twofold advantages. Firstly, a test of illiterates is also prepared. Secondly, one can get enlightened about the difficulties of such people and organize the program in such a way that some of their difficulties can be overcome. Such activities can be organized by the adult education functionary. The supervisor can also help him to do so. It is always better if the village panchayat is also involved in it. The panchayat members are a great source of motivation of the masses. Then, with selection of venue for adult education center. Although it is difficult to find always a suitable, well-ventilated and adequate place for holding the adult education center, we should, as far as possible, ensure that there is enough space, adequate light, ventilation in place or room where the adult education center is being organized. One should, however, use several attractive posters and charts to elevate the atmosphere of the adult education center. These posters, however, should not merely remain as piece of decoration, they should be used as teaching learning material regularly. Then, selection of the instructor. Instructors are actually door of the program, and the quality of program largely depends on his performance. Instructor should be selected from the same village. Instructor should be in position to convince adult learners in his charge with the significance of literacy and should be able to organize adult learning center in his or her own house or in the house of any one learner or at some common place in the village on the mutually convenient time. Then, training of adult education instructor. The training of instructor is an essential element in the successful implementation of adult education program in the country. The task of educating adults is not so easy. Therefore, instructors should be trained in order to have an understanding of psychology of adults, motivational strategies, different methods of teaching adults, development of teaching learning material, but it has been observed that majority of instructors of adult education program were untrained and the duration of their training was not sufficient under center-based method. Therefore, the National Policy of Education 1986 has spelled out that training day for instructors would be about 30 days in the first year and about 20 days in subsequent years. The need for participatory training based on experiences of the participants is a well-organized fact. Actualization of such training will call for considerable planning and investment. Then we need the priority groups. The literacy rate among women, scheduled castes, tribes, migrant laborers, people from rural and backward areas and other weaker sections of the society is very low. High priority should therefore be given to the adult literacy program for these groups. Then the basic need for program is community participation, close contact with community leaders, organization of village adult education committee, inauguration of center by prominent person in the village, involvement of Panchayat Samiti in the functioning of the center. In Punjab, the position of Panchayat is such that for getting most of the works done, one is to seek the help of Panchayat. They can be used to motivate the people to become literate and thus to become more effective members of the community. Panchayat can also organize cultural program so as to strengthen the adult education program. If the Panchayat becomes interested, it gives a boost to the program and it is made a success. Then duration of the course. The duration of course is generally 10 months and 1 to 2 hours daily. Actually, timing may be fixed by the instructor in consultation with the learners. Literacy is imparted within 250 to 300 hours. Strength of learners are the minimum numbers of adult learners in one adult education center need not be strictly specified as 30. It may be 25 to 30 with an average attendance of 20. In women's centers, if learners are not regular, it is sure to affect their learning and also their motivation for learning. Slowly, they can tend to drop out. Sporting programs. Literacy is an important and essential component of adult education program. But literacy alone does not have any promise to adult learners, nor could it hold learners' interest and attention for a longer time. In this light, it is essential to organize a number of sporting programs at the center so that the program and functional development achieved and interest of the learners retained and enhanced. For instance, learners need information about a number of issues which postal dealings, bank matters, small saving, health problems, etc. A person concerned with a particular field may be invited to the center to give relevant information to the adult learners. Then to seek the cooperation of education department and other departments too. With the cultivation of the social change in Indian society, it is being increasingly felt that education development, health department, social welfare department, agriculture department, animal husbandry department can function well and pass on the new knowledge to the villages only if the people are educated. It is thus desirable that they should so integrate the knowledge of their subjects with the adult education program that a platform of continuous motivation of the adult education program is cultivated. If should not be made or other departments but on continuing basis so that the society become an educated society. The rural development program can play a significant role in it. Even professions like agriculture and allied fields need the literature environment to make it a success. New seeds, methods of irrigation, marketing of the produce, etc. are so fast coming up that it becomes difficult to be a successful farmer without his becoming a part of literacy environment. Monitoring. A supervisor is generally appointed to monitor the program of 30 centers. He will be a link between the administrative setup of the project and the adult education centers. He will evaluate and guide to work of the centers. He has to observe through regular and frequent visits whether the centers are moving ahead, slowing down, or coming to a halt. Supervisors should be able to convince the instructors that he is there to help them improve the program and attain its objectives. He also discusses with the learners issue of their general interests. A project officer is generally in charge of 300 centers and he provides the necessary information of these centers to the district administration. Overall assessment. Evaluation of the learners is carried by the instructor to know their progress in the reading ability, writing skill, numeracy accomplishment, general knowledge and awareness, cultural and other activities, and functional development. Building up proper environment. Some problems of adult education are such that these pertain to some specific villages. However, there are some problems which are similar in almost all the villages. These problems are illiteracy and poverty. Because of poverty, the result is that they continue to be illiterate and cannot join the education channel. Some families have not seen the light of education for generations. Because of illiteracy, they do not attain self-confidence too. In reality, poverty and illiteracy are two sides of the same coin. We will be able to get them out of the trap of poverty only when they are initiated in the process of education. When they become educated, they will break the trap of poverty too and gain self-confidence. In addition to these problems, are need to be enlightened with their other problems too. It is absolutely asserted that proper environment be created for the invitation for the adult education. What will be their background? It is expected that almost all these people will be residents of villages and would be actually living in rural areas. Their link with urban life will be almost absent. Many of them are anxious to be educated, but why could not do so, as they never get a chance to do. So it is also a reality that they belong to a very poor families, and many of them are anxious to be educated, but why could not do so, as they never get a chance to do so. It is also a reality that they belong to very poor families and many of landless category and are members of scheduled castes or backward tribes. Girls are more anxious to go in for it and are deeply entrapped in the various circles of illiteracy. If they are hopeful of getting success in their career, they would like to go in for adult education. They also want entertainment and would like to participate in social welfare activities too. They are also anxious to look after their family responsibilities. They are not deadwood. It properly looked after, they are bound to become useful members of the society. However, the main problem is that they are so placed in the social setup that it becomes somewhat difficult to motivate them. If some of them are properly motivated, they become active in the attainment of illiteracy too. It is how that the whole social setup is to be involved. Only then they will be initiated in the adult education program. The adult education needs to be so organized that it may be possible to make changes in it, and when there is a need for it. For example, the time of the center can be linked with the leisure time of the individuals. Sometimes the people are at first so motivated that they join the adult education program. If the program is made flexible with above activities too, then the motivation of the people continue to be high level and the program is success. In the same way, separate time can be fixed for girls and boys, or groups can be formed on the basis of the age. If one is in a position to link the adult education program with some other developmental program, then it is a more success than